Hey, how you doing, garage door Mike? When you got lots of headroom, you put in the big tracks, the 32s. Hold on, let me. Oh, we're connected. I gotta go all the way up there. I don't know if I could do it or not on this shorts video. There it is. Dun, dun, dun. We're not done yet, but I just want to quick show you. Oh yeah, look at that big old hook. This thing rolls smooth as butter. So you got the big headroom, you put in 32s, why not? Awesome, right? Door rolls like butter. 2 fingers, 16 by 8. Keep this thing down. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. 16 by 8 with 32s. Innovative door, 630-271-9343. That's what you do with lots of headroom. Thanks for watching our shorts video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord.